everyone, so in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix if you could not connect to your server or you have lost your password or anything like this. Let's say we want to go here and you enter this and you have this error that shows here. So all you have to do is just let's close this one, go for search and search for MySQL installer community. Click on it and then click yes. Let's wait for it. And then we have this window to pop up here. So all you have to do is just click on MySQL server and then click on remove. Let's only select MySQL server, click on next, next, and then execute. Let's wait for it to remove MySQL server, click on finish, and then let's go to add here and then choose MySQL server, and then choose the last version. All you have to do is just to click on this arrow. Let's click on next, execute, and wait for it to be downloaded completely. And now, as my SQL server is downloaded, it's complete. Let's proceed with our process. Click on execute. Let's wait for the progress. And then we're done with it. Click on next, next. Don't change any of these parameters. Click on next. And then just put your password another time. To next, next, execute. Let's just wait for it and then click on finish, connects again, and then finish, and we are officially done with it. Let's see it now. Try to configure it. And we have MySQL run without any problem. So that's all. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more tutorials.